guest house is there. Bandung, North. What is one?
Yes,
That's all.
1900.
Ah, beautiful.
Yeah. Up inside.
Oh.
This is also Dutch people. Yeah. Come here.
Coffee from Indonesia.
All from Indonesia, but from different islands.
Islands.
Coffee, two kinds, Arabica and Robusta. But this is mIR because we store it for 7 until 8 years. The coffee here turn about 2 hours. And this is rubber woods.
Rubber wood. Oh.
Yeah. Modern process, they use gas, but this is still with woods.
It's
Because
better,
the
eh?
flame,
Yeah.
but it takes 2 hours.
To burn.
Yeah.
And how
With
do you
gas
burn?
on the
There is the
here.
wood?
Yeah. In the morning,
Oh, okay.
fire.
And then here in the
Yeah, the
beans.
coffee.
And have you beans which
yeah.
are not burned?
Not yet. This is new, still yellow, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
First in, first out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
First the
very
coffee like this. You will see.
green, huh? I think
Yeah.
it's also green.
And we're still drying the coffee with sunshine.
Sunshine.
Still Dutch.
Yeah.
New coffee green like this. All natural.
How long? 1
It
day?
takes 7 hours.
7 hours.
Yeah, look the color green, yeah.
Yeah. And from
keep-
yellow.
After 8 years, yellow. After roasting, brown, not black.
Beautiful.
This building since 1970.
Yeah.
Yeah, your people.
Yeah.
Dutch people.
So about 500 grams
Yeah.
of the
Arabica.
middle Arabica. From which island is that?
Up to you. Aceh, Medan, Toraja, Timor, combined.
Combined.
Yeah. From many islands. Be careful. New, soft, feel. Yeah?
Yeah.
Soft. This is 1 year. This is 8 years.
Come.
After 8 years like this.
Ah, it gets bigger. The
Bigger.
bean.
But the
Makes-
weight lose. First 100 kilogram, after 8 years only 92.
92. How is it possible?
Yeah. But the taste
It get bigger.
mild
Mm-hmm.
and
Mild.
not sour. The exit less, the caffeine less.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
First in, first out. Look, the building very strong.
Yeah.
Because honest in 1930.
But you start there and you take every year.
Yeah, first in, first out.
Every year you put this
Yeah.
here and.
FIFO.
Oh, okay. You're doing a good job
Yeah.
for the best coffee.
We must honest, don't cheat someone.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the price here cheap because no middleman, no corruption.
No corruption.
Yeah, no middleman, direct from the.
Oh, okay. Yeah. No middleman. There's a
Yeah.
small beans, or not?
Yeah, small. Hey, before roasting you cut
No.
it.
Oh, sorry.
Before.
After roasting.
Unroasted. After roasting.
Oh. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, and this is centrifugal to select heavy or light coffee, not from the size, but the heavy
Mhm.
is the best.
Okay. The
Robert. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Robert.
Yeah, in
It's Germany. On Emmerich am Rhein here.
Yeah.
Maybe Swiss.
Still Art Deco, the building
Yeah.
from the front.
Your bicycle?
My father and mother bicycle in 1930.
Dutch?
Yeah, Dutch.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Ah,
very
it looks
strong.
like Gazelle or something, yeah?
Humber
Humber?
and rally.
Ready, yeah? Oh, this is roasted.
After roasting, the color brown, not black.
Mm-hmm.
Modern black because the temperature too hot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is without chemicals, without pesticides.
So, very nice to show me this.
Beans or powder?
Hmm?
Beans or powder?
Powder is better.
Fine, coarse, medium.
You put it in this?
Yeah, in this stuff.
Maybe beans is better.
Beans better.
Yeah, I don't know. It's plastic around.
Inside, outside.
I'm doing powder.
Yeah, powder. Fine, coarse, medium.
Fine.
Fine. This is 250 grams.
Yeah, it's good. How much is it?
Only 9,500.
Great. Thank you. I put my camera on. Lucas live at the hot springs. De Seattle. Over bamboe. Ritje van een uur met een kleine bus. En met die heel die dillies. Warm water komt er uit de bergen. Maar ook vrij toeristisch. Ingericht allemaal. Zeker met het muziekje erbij. James Last.